Hi, it's Jeff with Sunnyland Patio. Today I want to talk to you about oval glides. Welcome to my shop. So these are some of the oval glide replacements that we carry. Various different sizes and shapes. They fit into different channels within a tube. So be careful, your tube should look like, it doesn't have anything that will interfere with installation. Unfortunately, guys, there's no way I'm going to have a glide for every companies that are out there. So best I can tell you is to take the overall outside dimension and see if it matches up with the selection you'll see on our website. We give you the outside dimension because trying to get all these little technical measurements is pretty difficult for anyone to get 100% right. So it should measure the outside dimension, and it should look similar to this also when you look at the pictures on the website. All right. So the leg we have here measures 2 1/8 by 7/8. So we know we have the right size glide. It looks similar. And then also once we take out the old glide, which is usually, you could pry that out. And then I'll give you another tip too, is like you can always just hammer that glide and hammer it right into the hole. So we have a shape that definitely looks like it's a good fit. And this one we're just going to tap into place. And that would be a simple installation of that oval glide. Now, what we find though is you may have one that's a little bit off, or just a different size altogether. What I would consider doing is we sell these other glides. This is the 30-617 and the 30-618. They fit some smaller size tubes, and a lot of times what you can get away with is putting that glide into the outsides of those channels, and making a glide that works in an oval tube out of 2 of the round ones. So that's a good tip for you if you can't find the right size oval glide to match up for you. Well, I hope this video helps you in choosing and installing oval shaped glides. Thanks for watching. See you next time.